Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. Otsumami is Japanese finger food that goes well with the alcohol. In this channel, I introduce Japanese foods and even history of them as well. If you're interested in Japanese culture, you've gotta watch this till the end. Okay, so let's get it started.
Today's menu is Gyoza.
You can make it from the very beginning, but it takes a long time, and I am very hungry today. Here in Japan, we could buy this kind of gyoza set, which is almost cooked. So today I'm going to use this. But remember, this is Otsumami channel. I'm going to tell you the Otsumami technique that makes it more delicious with an easy way. Today I'm gonna use this, katakuriko. In English, it's called potato starch. If you don't have one, you can use a flour as well. Put a bit of a starch and pour water and mix it together. You know what I'm making right now? I'm making the wing. In Japanese, it's called hane. You'll see what it is later. Okay, so everything is ready. Let's grill the gyoza. First, pour some oil. After the frying pan gets hot enough, put gyoza. Then I'm gonna use this starch. Pour the liquid into the frying pan and put the top. And wait for several minutes. It's done. We're gonna show you the Otsumami technique. 1, 2, 3. You see, the gyoza are getting together. That's called the wing. Looks delicious. But today, I prepared another Otsumami, miso flavored garlic. I bought this at the supermarket. Now let's eat. Itadakimasu. Can you hear the crunchy sound? That's a wing. That's awesome. Very crunchy and tasty. And here I try the miso flavored garlics. That's great. I can feel the energy.
Okay, so let's move into drinking part. Today's drink is this, Premium Malls, Japanese beer. Okay, let's drink. Kanpai! Oh, I feel like I'm in heaven.
Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese Otsumami. Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is a Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol. Every time you watch this channel, you're going to take one small step to be the Otsumami master. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And check the other movies as well. Okay, so see you next time. Sayonara!